God for your miracles. You have started with me, you have shown me your preparation. I called up your name before I began this good song. I am very sure I am seeing your breakthrough. I am very sure I will go to testify your wonders. I am very sure I am going to testify your miracles. Because you are a miraculous God. You are telling us you are going to give us hope where there is no hope. I need you to give people of Kenyatta Road hope. I need you to go and transform people of Kenyatta Road. I want you today you go to change people of Kenyatta Road. I request you, my Father, in heaven today, go to heal people of Kenyatta Road. I request you, my Father, in heaven today, go and save people of Kenyatta Road. My Lord, you are telling me you never disappoint me. You called me for a purpose. You called me for a mission. And you did not break me in this world for exams. You brought me for a purpose. You are saying the book of Jeremiah 29:11. For you are the Lord. You are the only God who knows the plans you have for us. Plans for welfare but not plans for evil. So it shall give me future and hope. It is through my family. You really know about today's life. You really know about today and Sunday. I will be here in tomorrow. I am requesting the power from heaven. I am requesting the power of casting demons. I am requesting the power of healing people. I am requesting the power of transforming lives of people. I am requesting the power of saving lives of people. I request you, my family. I am not here to command you. I am your minister. You called me for this work. Bless me and guide me. Give me strength. Give me courage. Give me power. Wote Mungu wangu nikashuhudie ukuu wako. Wote Mungu wangu nikashuhudie nguvu zako. Kabla huu mkutano uishe, ukawa umetenda makubwa na maajabu. Kama uliweza kumfufua Lazaro, kwa nini usiponye watu waliosumbuliwa na magonjwa? Uko na uwezo wa kufufua. Najua kwamba utaponya pia. Uko na uwezo wa kuponya kipofu. Najua kwamba watapona. Uliponya kipofu. Utaponya aliyemwagika na damu miaka 12. Najua kwamba utaponya watu wa Kenyatta Road. Najua kwamba utaenda kuwakomboa. Nguvu zako zikasema mahali hapa. Mungu wangu nakatana maroho zote za ushirikina. Naangusha maroho zote za uchawi. Maroho zote za warogi. Maroho zote za maadui. Maroho zote za wale ambao nitakii mazuri. Na viteketeza kwa jina la Yesu Kristo. Natisha moto wako kutoka juu mbinguni. Ukatawale mahali hapa. Ukatawale hii sehemu ambao nafanya mkutano. Ukaniwekea ulinzi pande hii. Ukaniwekea ulinzi pande hii ingine. Ukaniwekea ulinzi mbele yangu. Na ukaniwekea ulinzi nyuma yangu. Hata wakijaribu kunitendea uovu, usinifikie Mungu wangu. Usinifikie kile ambacho unachopanga kufanya. Najua kwamba wakati tumeanza kuifanya kazi yako, shetani anachukua nafasi na kuanza kupigana na sisi. Lakini shetani hana mamlaka. Shetani hauna nguvu. I command you, devil, today you are going to surrender. Today you are going to give up. Today you are going to testify that you are worshiping the living God. My Father, help me. My Father, I can't make it without you. I'm requesting your power to be upon me. Continue to be with me. As you are going to sing praise songs, give me the praise. Give me a good sound to sing in you. I believe that you are going to do. I believe that I will testify. when I shall see the conclusion of today's crusade. Because you shall have saved, you shall be upheaved, you shall be transformed, and you shall be changed to the growth in every road. Now start with me, continue with me, and also when I shall see the conclusion, conclude with me. I shall glorify your name and appreciate you. In the mighty name of prayer, chanting and believing.